And here are the locations for your smoke detectors. Here and here. I knew there was another one.
That only makes 2.
Oh, you're pretty quick with numbers.
Well, there are none in the bedroom. What if I'm in the shower? I'd never hear the alarm.
Well, think about it. Isn't the shower a pretty safe place to be?
Fire is definitely nothing to joke about. 8 out of 10 fire deaths occur in the home, and over half of those are while people are sleeping. We've got a few things to show you today to help prevent that from ever happening to you and your family. Here in the hallway by the bedrooms, they mounted a battery-operated smoke detector. Now, the smoke detector is normally either mounted on the ceiling or on the wall, 12 inches to 4 inches from the ceiling. You don't want to get any closer if you're coming across the ceiling than 4 inches, and you don't want to get any higher than 4 inches when you're moving up to the ceiling, because you get dead air along the corners of rooms. The air doesn't circulate very well, so if there's smoke coming up, it'll normally stay in the center area of your ceiling, or it'll work its way up the walls, but it'll miss that 4 inch by 4 inch area in the corner. This system is only battery operated. It's not wired into the house. It's better than nothing, but that's about all that it's better than. They put it here originally to monitor all the bedrooms, but home builders like myself are now required by code to put a smoke detector in every single bedroom when you build a new house. With a battery operated system, you need to check it at least once a month. You do that with this button here. Just press it and hold it, and the system works. So our battery does have power. You ought to change the battery every time there's a time change. So when there's daylight savings or you're going back to standard time, you need to pull apart all of your alarms and go ahead and change that 9-volt battery inside. Now, it's very important, like I was saying earlier, where they're placed. Let's go check out another room and see where they should be. Now, this smoke detector, it's actually hardwired into our electrical system in the house, but it's also monitored by our security system company. It actually runs into there, and if there's ever a fire and the smoke detectors go off, they'll set off an alarm inside the house to wake you up, but they also send a signal to the monitoring service, and they instantly call the fire department. Now, sometimes it takes up to 30 to 40 minutes for a fire department to get to a house after smoke starts billowing outside and someone finally notices it. With this system, it instantly calls, and normally within 8 minutes response time, the fire department arrives at your house and is ready to put out that fire. The other great thing about it, when it goes off, remember, don't look for a telephone. Just grab your loved ones and get out of the house. If the power ever goes off in the house, say a fire in your fuse box and the power shuts down, you've got a battery backup inside a closet master control box that's operating the system for the next 36 hours. So even with the power off, you know that you're safe inside the house. There is absolutely no reason not to have smoke detectors throughout your house. Prices start as low as $10. You can't afford to pass them up. Plus, you do need to maintain them. Test them every month to make sure the battery is working as a backup. Plus, change out that battery every 6 months. Over half the smoke detectors installed in homes right now currently don't function, so go ahead and make sure that you test. Plus, it's for the safety of you and your loved ones. $500,000 worth of damage is done every hour by fire. You and your family don't need that. Go ahead and install those smoke detectors and maintain them.